Hey everyone, welcome back to the Artif official channel where we bring you the craziest and coolest car stories on the planet. Today, we're talking about Genesis. Yeah, the luxury car brand. Turning their sleek GV60 EV into an off-road snowmobile. Why? Because they can. Stunning footage of the GV60 snowmobile on a snowy mountain. This isn't your average winter drive, folks. Genesis just proved that their all-electric GV60 can tackle snow-covered mountains like a pro. And yes, it looks just as insane as it sounds. Shots of the GV60 with tracks instead of wheels. So what's the deal here? Genesis partnered with some off-road experts to give the GV60 a wild makeover. They replaced the standard wheels with heavy-duty snow tracks, upgraded the suspension, and made sure the EV's dual motor setup could handle extreme winter conditions. Why the GV60? Now you might be wondering, why the GV60? Well, it's Genesis's first fully electric SUV and it's packed with cutting-edge tech. Plus, with its all-wheel drive and instant torque, it's perfect for this kind of transformation. Add some custom engineering and voila! You've got a luxury snowmobile. Performance meets fun. The GV60 snowmobile isn't just a gimmick. It's designed to perform. With over 400 horsepower and a range of up to 208 miles on a single charge, the GV60 was already impressive. But now, it's a winter beast. Action shots of the GV60. Plowing through snow. Close-ups of the tracks and suspension. And let's not forget, this is still a Genesis. That means you've got a plush interior, cutting-edge infotainment, and premium comfort. Even when you're blasting through snowdrifts. Why did Genesis do this? So why did Genesis turn their luxury EV into a snowmobile? The answer is simple. To show off what's possible. This isn't about mass production. It's a statement. A showcase of innovation, engineering, and, well, a little bit of flexing. Shots of the GV60 snowmobile next to standard GV60 models. Let's face it, this isn't something you'll see at your local dealership. But it's a bold move that shows how versatile EVs can be, even in extreme conditions. Behind-the-scenes details. How Genesis modified the GV60. With interviews or insights from engineers. Fan reactions. Add a segment featuring social media comments or polls about the GV60 snowmobile. Comparisons. Compare the GV60 snowmobile to other concept-in cars or EV stunts from other brands. What's next? Now the big question, is this the future of off-roading? Where will other automakers start building EV snowmobiles? Or is this just a one-time stunt? Either way, Genesis has set the bar pretty high. Or should we say, deep in the snow. Back in montage of the GV60 in action with upbeat music. So, what do you think? Is the GV60 snowmobile a game changer or just a fun experiment? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing car content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.